الله تعالى وبركاته داود يلا وانيغو نبيل يوتيوب channel كايغل سوعتنا waa King نبيل maanta meeshan waxa inoogu martay Osama Adam and Abdinur. This guy is a Kenyan guys. It's right. Kenya or Uganda? Me Uganda. Okay. maanta meeshan waxa ku sameyn doonaa challenge waxaan dhigi doonaa luqado Somali ka hadlaya waxa inoo bedeli doono Usman and Abdinur. Usman, talk to the people. First introduction yourself.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Please voice up.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Osama by names. It's my first time to play Somali Premier League. But anyway, it's a good league. It's all about, okay, their football playing is different. Others, they like passing football, possessing up to the box. They don't know power play, but they always possess that ball, box to box, box to box. Anyway, it's a good training. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. Haatan waxaan ugu gudbeynaa Abdinur.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Abdinur. This is not my first time to come to Somalia. I've come for the second time. I've been playing in Djibouti for a team called Sport. I was here once in Elman. Yeah, but this it's giving me a good challenge because I'm coming back for a second time. Yeah, but inshallah, when you get up, we will get in touch. We enjoy the football. I see the football in Somalia is changing day in, day out, day in, day out. Yeah, inshallah, we shall win, inshallah.
Okay, haatan waxaan sameyn doonaa challenge Usman, you say what I say. Okay. Waxaan rabaa inaan aado Xamarweyne. Waxaan rabaa inaan aado Xamarweyne. Waxaan rabaa Faisal.
Waxaan rabaa
inaan aado Xamarweyne. Hal mar deh.
Repeat again.
Waxaan rabaa immediately. Not say. Waxaan rabaa Xamarweyne immediately.
waxaan rabaa Xamarweyne.
Okay. Abdinur, you say what I say. Waxaan aadi rabaa Karan.
Waxaan aadi rabaa Karan.
Waxaan aadi rabaa
Waxaan Karan.
Waxaan aadi rabaa.
It's very difficult.
No,
That's a very difficult thing that.
Waxaan aadi rabaa Karan.
Waxaan aadi
Rabaa Karan.
Karan.
Okay. Try again. Waxaan aadi rabaa Karan.
Immediate. Waxaan aadi rabaa Karan.
It's very difficult.
Okay, you say Kenyan language. You say what I say. You say, then I say. Tell me.
Mambo vipi? Mambo vipi?
Not. That's so difficult.
Okay. Habari yako?
Habari yako.
Mzuri
yako. That's right.
Yeah. Habari yako, how are you?
Habari yako, like how are you? Means how are you?
Yeah, mzuri.
I'm
Good,
fine.
I'm fine.
Okay. Abdinur, you say Uganda language. I say.
Mugamba Mutia.
Mugamba
Mutia.
Mutia.
Yeah. Say
Mugamba Mutia.
yeah, how are you?
How are you? That means so are you. Okay. Aatan meesha waxaan ugu soo gabi doonaa barnaamijkii aniga inta doonay waa anigoo Nabil YouTube channel kan lagu soo kana waa King Nabil please hakiin maam ina share laado subscribe na daado waad dhammaantiin daawasho wacan
Mastercraft on the beat.